Now here's meteorologist Pete Mangione with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
All right, well, yesterday was obviously a stay in and watch movies kind of day, or maybe a day for a parade in Newport. Needless to say, very rainy out there. We will not see anything close to that today. A much better day to be outside, but certainly not ideal either. But from now to around 1 p.m., we are mostly dry, and we will pick up some breaks of sunshine. In fact, already seeing some breaks of sun out there on our city cam right now. From 1 to around 3 p.m., we'll start to see some rain showers move in from the north, eventually changing over to snow showers. And from around 3 in the afternoon to 8 p.m., mostly snow showers. A few of these could be heavy, especially just east of Providence into Bristol County, Massachusetts, out towards North and South Attleboro, and especially towards Plymouth County, Massachusetts. But again, we're not expecting a lot in terms of accumulation. I'll put up that accumulation map coming up shortly. Live Pinpoint Doppler 12, not tracking much at all right now. You can see a few blips here and there just offshore from Block Island, and our temperatures are mostly above freezing, and that's a good thing. 38 right now in Providence, 37 Newport, 37 Fall River, 35 in Gloucester. Now, especially in places to the north and west of 295 Lake Gloucester, we may hover close to that freezing mark over the next several hours, and close enough where we want to be mindful that there still could be some slick spots out there this morning. Anything that's wet obviously could freeze up pretty easily, but for the most part, I think we stay above freezing. Temperatures and wind speeds. Let's go to wind speeds because right now they're busy. Out of the northwest right now at 15 miles an hour in Pawtucket, 13 miles an hour in Providence, and this will be a breezy day because we're kind of in that transition zone between the mild side of the storm and the colder side of the storm, which is on the way. So we'll pick up those winds. We'll also pick up a few of these snow showers as the system scoots in from the north later on this afternoon. In fact, you can kind of see the scattered nature of the precipitation. So it's not a washout even as we get into the afternoon. You can see around 2 o'clock. Down in westerly Newport, you may not see anything in terms of precipitation just yet, but a decent chance of some showers at this point in places like Cumberland and out into the Attleboroughs and even out towards places like Seekonk, East Providence. As we get deeper into the evening around 5 or 6 p.m., notice how we start to switch over to the blue, and a few of these could actually represent snow squalls, which are very brief but sometimes intense bands of snow. Sometimes they can make travel difficult, so be mindful of that as we work into the evening, especially from Providence and points east. As we go later into the evening, the precipitation turns off, and then we'll be left with some potentially slick roads, especially anything that happened to pick up some snow earlier. When we add everything up, it's not a lot of snow, pretty much nothing in southwestern Rhode Island. A coating to an inch is possible for most of Providence County into Providence, Newport, Little Compton, and points east. 1 to 2 inches is possible just south of Boston down towards the Cape Cod Canal. That's where the heaviest bands of snow will probably set up. And as we look at our temperatures, they warm into the 40s throughout the day as the sun tries to do some work, even though we will get the clouds spilling back in during the afternoon. And then temperatures fall again by 5 p.m. as that colder pool of air works in. So by 8 o'clock, we're around freezing. So anything that does fall as snow will stick pretty easily. Overnight, temperatures into the 20s. So just watch for some slick roads for the Monday morning commute. Speaking of Monday, it's not a bad day. Mostly sunny skies, temperature 46 degrees. On Tuesday, chance of some rain showers, changing over to snow showers in the morning. And then once we get to the afternoon, things dry out. But that will usher in a much colder air mass. So by Wednesday, you can see we have the sunshine, but the temperature only makes it to 30 degrees. That gives you an idea of how chilly that air mass is. We dip into the teens Wednesday night into Thursday morning to recover to the mid-30s by Thursday afternoon. Chance of some rain and snow showers Friday into Saturday, temperatures in the low 40s. You can always get the latest weather discussion updates over on our website, WPRI.com.
Now, Eyewitness Sports with Yanni Caracas.